Good morning. It's Friday. We made it through another week. This is probably going to be our last Friday checklist because next Friday will be our last day of school. So let's go over our plan for today. Today in reading, you're going to start to read chapter 10 of The Chocolate Touch, complete the PowerPoint, and take the assigned quizzes. It looks like this. One of my students commented and said that they noticed that every time I have the heading, it has something to do with the chapter. So here is something that is going to be about chapter 10. Here is the login information for Epic. Here is the video to listen to it as you follow along. Here it says, how do you think John really felt about going to Susan's party? What happened to the water and to John and Susan when John bobbed for apples? Here you're going to take one of the circles and drag it over. It says, what was strange about the candy store when John tried to take his father there? What events occurred after Dr. Cranium gave John Dr. Cranium's elixir? And what name did Dr. Cranium give to John's sickness? Finally, there's a quizzes. This one actually goes back to chapter 7. So there is some information from chapter 7, 8, 9, and 10. Today, it's also our last day for our letters to our future self. That one looks like this. Some people are asking, sealed on date is today's date or whenever you guys did it. Date to be read, you will be given this when you are a fifth grader. So that will be in 2 years. So you can say June of 2022. And again, you will have from here, you are going to pick 5 to complete. They should be about a paragraph. And finally, math. This one's here for math. It says you will continue to apply a bunch of the different math skills to plan a road trip. And that one looks like this. Here is, again, a billboard. This is the data table. You are going to check the tally marks to do the data table and complete the bar graph using the information from the data table. Here are receipts. You're going to add up how much money they spent per night. And then you are going to answer these 3 questions at the bottom. These are road signs. You're going to find the difference between Anaheim and Salt Lake City, the difference between Tulsa and Fayetteville, and how far it is from Raleigh to Poplar Bluff. Finally, that was a long trek and you were going to fly home. You need to find out which is better, flying from Portland, Maine to San Diego, California. Here are 3 options. Check out the times and the price. Or you're going to go to Boston, Massachusetts to San Diego. Again, check out the times and the price. These 3 questions here are going to be your opinion question. And these 3 questions here are going to be based off of this information up here. If you have any questions throughout the day, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be happy to help. Have a great day, boys and girls.